Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you have elevator in your apartment? Do you think it is safe? Do you know what kind of elevator safety you need to have? Here is something you must know. If you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and get connected with us. So before starting the video, let me tell you what we are going to learn in today's video. As you all know, lift is a vertical transporting machine. So safety is the most important aspect. So there are multiple safety features a certified elevator should have. We will see important safety features, their working, their explanation. And to know all this, please watch the video till the end. Please comment below and tell me which kind of elevator you are using. The first safety feature is speed governor. It is actually situated at the top with machine. It monitors the speed of elevator and gets activated when the speed increases. For example, if the speed of elevator is 1 meter per second, that is the rated speed, it will do a normal ride like this. But if the speed increases by 40%, that is 1.4 meter per second, then it will immediately push the brake and stop the elevator, just like this. To tell about it, it works in downward direction only. It could also hold the lift cabin in case of breaking of ropes. Let's discuss about over travel protection. This is the feature, as the name says, it protects the elevator from over traveling so that it could not hit the overhead or pit. There is an electronic as well as mechanical limit switch to perform this safety. Then there is door lock. As we know, elevator basically moves in a void shaft. The passengers standing at the landing floors are protected by these doors only. So the landings are provided with mechanical and electrical safety, that is door lock. Every elevator must have overload sensor. This is one of the key features of lift. Every lift is provided with this safety to monitor passenger load in the elevator and set at the rated capacity. If the load is more than the rated capacity, it gives the alarm and don't take any command. The door sensor is also an important lift safety feature. There is a light curtain, a zigzag infrared beam at the doors of elevator to detect the movement or obstruction at the door. If there is any movement while closing, the door stops closing. There is an emergency battery operated alarm in every elevator. If someone is trapped in the elevator, they could just press a button inside the elevator, which is bell type icon, and attract attention. Commonly known as ARD, auto rescue device, is a main safety feature in elevators. This is battery operated device. It detects the power failure and get activated automatically. It rescues the passenger by landing them at the nearest possible floor. In the example you can see that lift is traveling from first floor to ground floor. The power fails in the middle, so it is nearer to ground. So it goes to ground and opens the door automatically. Every elevator has an emergency light which is connected to the battery or UPS. On power failure, it gets activated and gives necessary illumination. The last feature is buffer. The buffer is placed at the pit to provide safety in case of free fall. It acts as a counterweight in case of over travel and absorb the impact. So here is the end. So next time whenever your AMC person comes, ask him all these details. And also share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button.